How to add deleted friends in the Monopoly Go game. If you are wondering on how to add the friends that you have just deleted and don't know how to do it, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, open the Monopoly Go game. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to Friends option at the bottom, just right here. Select it. Then tap on to Leaderboard just right here. Then here you can find your friends, just like this. Now to add the friends that you have just deleted, tap on to Add Friends. Then tap on to Invite option right here. Invite. Tap on it. Then tap on to Invite once again on the link right here. Then copy the link just like this. And after copying the link, you can simply send the link to that friend that you have just deleted. Now send the link just like this. Paste the link and send it to them. And after you send the link, the friend will accept your friend request invitation from this link, and they will accept it and be your friend once again. And that's it. This is how you can add the deleted friends in the Monopoly Go game. Now do the same process to add another friends that you have deleted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.